Hey, what's going on, my J-Hen Travel and Life crew? This is your boy J-Hen and coming back to you guys with another video, you guys. It's my birthday week. It's Halloween time, fall, and I've been doing some Amazon ordering, you guys. So we're going to check out what I got here in this new Amazon delivery, you guys. I'm going to go through this box, show you guys what I got. Everything that I got in this box will be left down in the description down below. Also, I'm going to do individual videos, too, about each item in this box to go ahead and do a full review. We got everything in here from household stuff to Halloween stuff to workout stuff, headphones, bathroom stuff. Let's check it out, you guys. Let's go. I got this mat right here, you guys. This is actually like a bathroom mat to go right in front of your toilet. Nothing special. It's a memory foam mat. I will be putting this down in the description. It's black. Check out my upcoming videos. You'll see more about this. This right here is finna go down, y'all. You know it's Halloween weekend. My birthday is on Sunday. I got this mask. I got like 3 costumes off of Amazon. I got this light up mask. It's kind of blue, has a little bit of red in it. You got the different settings you can put it on. You got the little casing back here. You got to get the little batteries for it. But be on the lookout for this. Gonna have a video coming out to show you guys what my costume's gonna look like and more about a review on this mask right here. What else we got in here? Man, these about to come in handy if you're a friend of the channel. If you already subscribed to the channel, you know I be on the go, traveling, outside, nature, all that good stuff. So I just ordered these Shokz open ear bone conduction sports headphones, and these are supposed to be very good. You know, you can use them for running, use them for talking on the phone when you're on the go, and they just wrap around the back of your head, and they're open ear, so they don't have to go all inside your ear and give you all that pain and stuff, and they charge up fast, and I think you get about 8 hours. So be on the lookout for this review, this unboxing. Now to go with my costumes, I did get these LED rave light gloves. You know, I got these gloves right here. Again, when I try on this costume, you guys will be able to see that. I'll have a little review on these. This will be a real quick, simple review. I've bought these in the past. I don't know if it was the same brand or not off of Amazon, but trying a costume out again this Halloween, so I'm gonna need some lights. I got some more orders coming in, so I'll be showing you guys that. But I did get this detox tea tree oil foot soak. This is a detox tea tree oil foot soak. You know, you gotta get that good soak, that good moisturizer going on your body, on your feet and stuff like that. Let's see what else we got up here. Oh, I ordered this rug, you guys. It's like a blue rug. I'm gonna open it up. I might have to send it back because I don't know if I'll have enough space in my room like I wanted to, because I already got a rug. But I did order this blue rug off of Amazon, you guys. So I'll be unboxing this, checking it out, rolling it out, so you guys can see. We down to 2 more things, okay? This right here, those again, trying to keep your body right, keep your feet nice, looking nice. You know, when you're on the go, you travel like me, cruising, islands, all that stuff out here. Take care of self-care, take care of yourself. So I got this rechargeable callus remover. It's a 10-in-1, y'all. 10-in-1, 10-in-1. It's electric, rechargeable. It says you can beautify your feet. You can plug and play. It has its own lighting. It has a USB charging. You know, you can charge it up, you can use it on the go, and it has, like, you know, it's kind of digital right there, so you can tell how much power and juice you got. I'm gonna open this up too. Check out my other videos, you guys. And then last but not least, we got this natural wood toilet stool. You know, it's lightweight, functional, and easy to put together. We'll be doing a video on this as well. You know, it's like a squatty potty. You can use this as a nice squatty potty to go right there in front of your toilet. So check out my videos, hit that subscribe button, and then you can see more about all these unboxings and more about the stuff we got right there. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.